Hello friends, hope you will be okay. Yesterday we discussed subject parts. Let's see some important point about determiner. It includes articles a and the. Second, demonstrative adjective this, that, these, those. Next, possessive adjective my, our, your, his, her, etc. Next, adjective of quantity, for example some, little, much, any. And next one is adjective of number, for example few, many, several, one, two, first, second, etc. Actually, there are two adjective of number: cardinal number and ordinal number. Cardinal number is counting number, we can count. In ordinal number, these show the position or order of a noun or pronoun, etc. So let's see some examples. First example is a boy runs. In this, a boy is subject and runs is predicate. We will discuss on predicate parts in coming videos. So here we can see that A is called qualifier and boy is head word. We know that head word governs or controls the whole sentence. How can we say this? See, if we remove head word boy, then the sentence will be a runs. Means in Hindi, एक दौड़ता है, and it is senseless. But if we remove a, then the sentence will be boy runs. लड़का दौड़ता है. It's okay and it is senseful. So head word controls the sentence. Now second example is a blind man walks. In this sentence, subject part is a blind man and walks is predicate part. In subject part, A is determiner, that means article type, blind is qualifier or adjective, and man is head word, that is noun type. Now there is a question here. In the first example, A is qualifier, and in second example, A is determiner. So this is the question. So here you should learn an important thing. If there is only one word before head word, it will be qualifier, and if there are two words before the head word, then first word will be determiner and second word will be qualifier or adjective. Keep in mind that qualifier, determiner and adjective tell us about head word. Now see the third example. This one. Third example is a black bird sitting in the tree flew away. In this sentence, in subject part, a black bird sitting in the tree. Further, A is determiner, black is qualifier or adjective, bird is head word, and sitting in the tree adjectival phrase. Now I will tell you why it is called adjectival phrase. Adjectival phrase. We know that phrase is a group of words having incomplete sense, and adjective tells us the quality of noun or pronoun. Sitting in the tree is a group of words. But it has incomplete sense, means पेड़ पर बैठी हुई. अब इसका पूर्ण अर्थ नहीं मिल रहा है. So it is a phrase, and this group of words tell us about bird. Means शब्दों का यह समूह हमें पक्षी के बारे में ही तो बता रहा है. हमको. So it is called adjective. That's why sitting in the tree, this part is called adjectival phrase, and it comes after head word generally. So okay friends, tomorrow we will discuss on some other examples and predicate part. So this is my request to you that make your notes properly. I have uploaded PDF pages. Thank you.